What's up, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to talk about Scale Motorsports, and I'm sure some of you may know Scale Motorsports was going to go out of business for a good minute. But Matthew over there has found a new owner, and a new owner has appeared, and well, they're staying in business, which is fantastic. Here is a news wire from Facebook talking about the new owner.
Owner of Scale Motorsport, car model enthusiast. I'd like to take this opportunity to introduce you to the new owner of Scale Motorsport, Matt of Southwest Michigan. Matt has a passion for building models, along with CAD and 3D printing skills. He also has an impressive, winning record for building and racing vintage Honda motorcycles, a true gearhead, and the perfect combination for taking Scale Motorsport into the future. Matt, his wife Ashley, and crew came out to Scale Motorsport headquarters on Shelter Island, New York this past week and packed up everything. And I do mean everything.
So yeah, that's pretty cool. So the new owner, he literally packed up his stuff. His new owner and his wife packed up his stuff, and they moved to New York because that's where the headquarters of Scale Motorsports is in New York. And it's just super cool.
Welcome to Scale Motorsport. We are honored to continue the legacy of this incredible brand. A huge thank you to Matthew for his dedication, innovation, and service to the modeling community. We appreciate everything he has built. We're working hard to restock inventory and establish relationships with vendors. This may take a little time, but we're committed to keeping your favorite products available to enhance your modeling experience. We'd love to hear from you. Feel free to reach out via email, matt@scalemotorsport.com. In the meantime, take a look around. Celebrate with us by taking advantage of sales on some of your favorite Scale Motorsport items. Thank you for your patience and support as we get up and running. We're thrilled to continue offering the high-quality products you know and love, and we can't wait to bring new innovations to your workbench. Happy modeling, Matt and Ashley.
So that's pretty neat. And they are, by the time we're recording this video, they are having a sale on their decals, which is fantastic. So now I don't have to hoard the carbon fiber decals anymore, because I know they're staying in business, and they're going to continue making these amazing decals. Now, if you don't know about Scale Motorsports, they make absolutely amazing decals, such as carbon fiber. Carbon fiber is known for their decals, and they're just top-notch quality. And like I said, I was really afraid they were actually going out of business, because if they do go out of business, these decals are going to shoot up in price, and they're going to be very hard to get. And also, the only way to get decals that have a decent price is literally across the seas. But since these guys are based in New York, in the United States, they are relatively available for us in America, and these decals are just super high quality. They're just amazing. Absolutely just love these decals. So of course they do have decal sheets for carbon fiber wraps on some of these cars as well. They have Photo Edge. Photo Edge is amazing from them as well. They also have tons of tools and equipment. They also have a bunch of the stands to display your models on model car shows, which is really cool. They have wiring. They have all kinds of neat stuff. Now, as you can see, he did improve the new website. Here is the news wire of the website. So he really did improve his website. This website is really easy to work with, and of course they do offer interior decals, which is super cool. And by the time, like I said, by the time it's recording, these decals, well, the carbon fiber decals at least, are on sale. So you can get them for $10, which is fantastic. Regular price $13. These are probably old stock, because he is making new stock. Now I'm pretty sure he is. The decals may seem as high quality as they are, super thin and easy to work with. So hopefully the quality of the decals are not going to change, which is fantastic. Which makes sense, because he is moving literally to the facility that Scale Motorsports started. So he's going to have the same machines, the same printers, or whatever they have to create these decals and Photo Edge and that good stuff. Now, it's really cool, and I'm just, like I said, I'm just really happy to they are staying in business, because without these decals, I don't know what we're going to do, because we're going to really have to buy carbon fiber decals across the seas. And that's the last thing we want to do, and it's just fantastic, and everybody was just super stoked that he is staying in business, and it's just really cool. So I'm really happy to meet new owner. I believe he is going to N.Y.S. next month, in April. So that's gonna be pretty cool. So if he is there, I can't wait to meet the new owner and talk to him for a little bit, and it's just be really, really cool. Now, if you are looking for some suggestions, go over to his Facebook page. I'll leave the link down below, and give him some ideas. You know, some people mentioned that 3D printing, and of course he is going to be doing some 3D printing parts. Maybe he's going to be doing some more wheels. Who knows? He's going to be doing a lot more aftermarket parts, which is really cool, involving 3D printing. And of course, he's probably going to add some different decals, more carbon fiber decals, more racing decals. Who knows? It's just fantastic. He is staying in business, Skill Motorsports, and Matthew found a new owner. It's just super cool, and I'm just really, really thankful for that, and just wicked cool. So guys, check out the new website. I'll be leaving this link upside down below. It is really nice, and I'm actually really happy with this website. It's actually really easy to do and maneuver, and everything is just laid out super nice. So he's obviously a pretty damn smart person. He knows how to make websites look nice and make them improve. Of course, decals are in 12th scale, 20th, and 1/24th, and 1/25th scale. And pretty neat thing is, you can really from here, you can choose your options and stuff, or there's no choose options. You can just literally just tap how many quantities you want, and it automatically adds it to your cart, which is that's actually pretty cool. I'm actually really happy how that works. So he is a really, really good guy, and yeah, just super cool. But alright guys, I just want to make this video and let you all know they are staying in business, so that way you don't have to spend all your money to buy as many carbon fiber decals as possible, because, well, they're staying in business. And if you want to save a little bit of cash, go over now. By the time this recording, they are on sale for $10. So I might be picking up a few, who knows, but I might save for N.Y.S, because, you know, be better, meet him in person, and all that good stuff. But alright guys, until next video, like I said, check out the Facebook page and check out the link down below to the website as well, and check out for yourself. But alright guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed, and until next video, we'll catch you next time.